Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're like me and most Americans, you have a issue with Amazon Prime. 12th and 13th, I believe it was. They have what they call Prime Day, and you probably bought something on Prime just like we did. Well, what we bought was I think it's called, I don't know how you pronounce this, but Maybet Bronco accessory pocket for the front of the door. Looks like this here, and what it does is it goes into your door. It's got a couple little cutouts here for some water bottles, and it gets rid of these little weeny netting that they have on these doors. So as you can see here, the netting's nice, and it's, you know, nice and stiff for now, but this right here is going to sag. We don't put anything in here because it is going to sag. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace that. Well, not with this one. That's driver's side. With this. So in your Bronco, or comes with your Bronco, you come with a little toolkit, and it's got all the stuff that you need to take these out. Just locate the right bit, which is this one here. It's an IP30, and it comes with a ratchet, or you got a ratchet as well. I'm lazy, so I'm gonna go grab an impact. All right, maybe not an impact, but a drill. Turn down. Screws look to be plenty long enough to be able to leave this in place. Put that right on top of it. So this particular one comes with a rubber lining. I'm assuming that might just be for sound deadening purposes. We'll do the final tightening by hand and not with the drill. It's installed, so let's do a little test fit, see how well it fits in the cab with me in it. So passenger side seat is all the way back. It actually kind of curves in here pretty decent with the leg. All right, bottle of Gatorade, perfect. Bottle of water, a little loose. Let's see. Can of one of Indy's finest. Yeah, that doesn't work. And it's good. Shouldn't be drinking and driving anyways. But bottle of Gatorade works. Bottle of water works too. We're gonna do the driver's side now and match the passenger side. We'll see how well that one fits over there. Alright, so driver's side is installed. It's definitely more inconvenient on this side here. So only time will tell if we keep this. Like if they just did the drink pocket, it would probably be okay. You know, bring this in some, but I don't know. All right, so the install is done, and even with recording, I think it took me less than 10 minutes. So, but I'd say get you a set. There's a lot of convenience there. Yeah, the driver's side, you know, you'll just have to deal with it. It's not that big of an inconvenience. So I'm going to finish my drink here,